the south, the MK Lion Pride is thriving. They've banished the nomads from their pride lands and are taking full advantage of the dry season woes. A 15-strong hunting party positions itself in the grass, near the only reliable water source for miles around, the Luangwa River. The dwindling water lures in thirsty prey. An all-you-can-eat buffet for the lions. Their target this morning is 200 yards away. 100-strong herd of Cape buffalo. But there's no need for the lions to attack in the open. The buffalo will walk right past them when they've quenched their thirst. Sarabi, the pride's most experienced lioness, eyes them carefully. The pride follows her lead and surrounds a straggler at the back. The youngest lioness, Maya, puts herself in the path of the deadly horns. It's a dangerous distraction ploy. Sarabi sprints in to add to the confusion. And the pride closes in. The MK Lions will eat like royalty today. They must take advantage of the easy hunting while they can. In a week, the rains will come, and conditions in their pride lands will change drastically.